Ever looked at your Chime account, seen that sweet $5 boost, and wondered, what the heck can I do with this thing? If you have, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of Chime boosts and figure out how to make the most of that extra $5. First off, what exactly is a Chime boost? It's like a little financial pat on the back. Chime offers this to help you out in a pinch, maybe cover a last-minute coffee run or help you avoid an overdraft fee. But it's not just a one-trick pony. There are a few different ways to use it. Option 1, the quick cash fix. The most obvious use is to cover a small expense. Maybe you're short on rent, or that unexpected grocery bill popped up. Boom, your $5 boost can be a lifesaver. To use it for this, simply initiate a payment or transfer as you normally would. When choosing the funding source, select your Chime spending account. If you have sufficient funds, great. But if you're a little short, the boost option should appear. It's like a little financial superhero swooping in to save the day. Option 2, avoid that nasty overdraft fee. Overdraft fees? No thanks. This is where the boost can really shine. If you're about to dip into the red, Chime might offer you the boost to cover the difference. It's like a tiny financial cushion. But remember, it's not a free pass to overspend. It's a safety net, not a trampoline. Option 3, a little extra spending money. Want to treat yourself to a small indulgence? Your $5 boost could be your ticket to a fancy coffee, a new book, or even a small donation to your favorite charity. It's like finding a surprise $5 bill in your coat pocket. Now, a quick word about the fine print. While the $5 boost can be a lifesaver, it's not free money. It's a short-term loan that you'll need to pay back. And there might be fees involved if you don't repay it on time. So, use it wisely. Also, remember that the boost isn't always available. It depends on your account history and usage. Chime wants to help you out, but they also want to make sure you're using their services responsibly. So, there you have it. The $5 Chime boost, more than just a number. It's a little financial flexibility. Whether you need it for a quick cash infusion, to avoid an overdraft fee, or just want a small treat, it's there for you. But remember, while it can be a helpful tool, it's essential to use it responsibly. Over-reliance on boosts can lead to a cycle of debt. So, use it wisely, and make sure to pay it back on time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.